ask something?
Australia.
Is it easier for those abroad to learn the Igbo language than those here? Because I can imagine you having a foreign accent and then trying to speak a local language.
Okay, so because I am a curriculum expert, I know my onions. Mm-hmm. I know how to break the Igbo language and make it very simple for anybody to be able to learn it. But if you want to look at it on the peripheral, it's easier for the children in Nigeria to be able to learn when we are teaching than those in Canada and USA. But this is why we have further gone into different methods of teaching the Igbo language, so that no matter where you are, we take into cognizance the cultural context, your societal context when we are teaching you. So the way we teach children in the USA is quite different from the way we teach children in Nigeria. We have to put these things into considerations.
I think I'll have to enroll in your school because I've been trying to learn the Igbo language.